Can you believe that I ate a Rolex in Uganda? Well, not this Rolex. This Rolex. We visited the Rolex guy in Entebbe. Let me show you how it's made. This popular street food dish is made with fresh chapati and an omelet filled with tomatoes, onions, bell peppers, and a vegetable salad. They roll the fried omelet inside a chapati. Get it? Rolled eggs, Rolex. If you want to try the best Rolex in Uganda, go to the Rolex guy.